Hi everyone, this is a video for 9-3B. This one is fairly simple. Current earnings. We're just going to take that directly out of the book where it says current gross pay. And then once we get that done, we're going to total the column. And I'm just going to let Excel do the math to save time. Now we have to do unemployment compensation. So unemployment compensation is for anything under $7,000. So if we have to use the cumulative pay before the current earnings. Okay, so we have Carlson David is at $66.35 before his current pay. If you add his $950 that he got, it puts him over the $7,000. So what we want to do is we want to take $7,000 minus the $66.35 gives us $365. So only $365 of his current pay will go for unemployment. And then we would do that with the rest of the employees. You should only have 2 employees that have unemployment compensation for this problem for 9B. For 9A, so 9-3A, again, you will only have 2 employees that have unemployment compensation. So you have 7,000 minus 6,150. So only 850 is for unemployment compensation. Everything else is going to be 0 because they're already over the $7,000. So again, we're going to add up the column. Next, Social Security. So Social Security is anything under $118,500 is taxable. So if you look at all of the cumulative pays, everybody is going to be under except for Brandon Watts. So what we can do is we can just copy and paste the current gross earnings over. And so now we have to figure out how much of Watts' current pay is taxable for Social Security. So we're going to take our $118,500, subtract the cumulative pay before current earnings. So we're going to subtract $117,100, gives us $1,400. So only $1,400 of his pay is taxable. And then again, we're going to add up the column. So that's the first part. The second part is we have to calculate the taxes. And this is where we're going to use the information we've already done. So I have this as one big cell. You can actually change it. Just click on it and then go merge in center, and that will take that away. So if you want. So the first calculation is Social Security tax. So that is going to be based on the 9,180. So we're going to take the 9,180, multiply it by 6.2%. And that is going to give us $569.16. I need you to show your formula so I can see where you're going wrong. That way, if you're having a misunderstanding somewhere, I can easily spot it and correct it. The next thing we have to calculate is the Medicare tax. To do that, we are going to take the entire current earnings column, so that's $9,900, times the 1.45%. So we have 9,900 times 1.45% gives us $143.55. Next, we have to calculate the FUTA tax, which is the federal unemployment tax. So for FUTA, it is 6.6%. So we're going to take our unemployment compensation amount of $1,215 times 0.6%, and that is going to give us $7.29. Then we have to calculate the SUTA tax, which is the state unemployment. So we're going to have the $1,215 and multiply that by 5.4%. So we have $1,215 times 5.4% gives us $65.61. So again, it's the 1,215 times 5.4% gives us $65.61. Now we have to total our taxes. So for this purpose, you can just write total and then enter in the amount. This is going to help us with our journal entries that we have to do that shows that we have paid our taxes. And apparently I'm not typing in numbers correctly. So 569.16 plus 143.55 plus 729 plus 65.61 gives us 785.61. Now, the last part is that we have to do our journal entries, and this is for October 7th. So again, October 7th. The first is going to be payroll taxes. So everything is going to be debited to payroll taxes expense. And this is where we're going to enter our 785.61. Now we're just going to break it down by each of the taxes. So we have Social Security taxes payable, and I cannot type today. So we have Medicare taxes payable, FUTA taxes payable, SUTA taxes payable, and then the last one is going to be, sorry, that is the last one. I'm thinking of the payroll costs where we do more of the entries, and then we're just going to copy the amounts over. So we have 569.16, 55, 729, and 65.61. And that is all there is to this first problem. If you have any questions on it, let me know.